Hi everybody, my name is Allison Ostrander and I am the Director of Risk Tolerance here at Simpler Trading. And in this video, I want to talk about a potential longer term setup on XLV. Now currently the daily chart of course has gone into this bearish trend, but we have started to see some bearish exhaustion. Bollinger Bands are attempting to flatten out, and we do have of course these daily true lows. But what I'm really looking at is this monthly pattern. The monthly chart is also attempting to print a true low for the month. The last time we've had this monthly true low signal was back in 2010. For those of you unfamiliar with this indicator, usually when it prints like this, especially on a longer time frame, it indicates a good discount price. It's not supposed to print at every low. The idea is it gives you a good discount level where the price might not see it again, right, if it continues up. So as you can see, the last time it printed was back here, and we've never come back down to these levels, right? So we'll see if it prints this month or not. But the fact that it's already started to pop up with the idea that this might be a discount, as well as the 30-period simple holding support and a valid bullish divergent bar, which has a decent follow-through rate on the monthly chart, typically follows through within 3 bars on either tagging this bar's high of 150.95 or making a higher high, is what sparked my interest in it. So let's pull up XLV on the option chain over here. There are 2 ways I'm going about looking at this as a potential trade idea. The first is to just jump in with a long call, maybe a little bit further out in time, with the idea that by the end of February, ideally, is when I'm looking for this to follow through, but by the end of February, we are back to or above 150.95, if not sooner. If you did something like the 145 strike, which is currently out of the money, but we hit our target of 150.95, you're basically $5.95 in the money, so not a bad risk versus reward there. You could also consider doing a vertical spread to help reduce that risk, or going out to the March monthly expiration. This would in fact give you the full month of February to try and trade it, but of course you're going to have to pay a bit more for it too. So I like this setup. I am just personally trying to time the entry based off the daily chart, and might look to jump into it the next couple of days if we can maintain holding above this 135-ish level here. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.
Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.